Emerald platform is actually very easy to use. It's just like Google. Kalau you know how to use a Google, if you know how to use a Google, basically this is just a Google search engine. So in Emerald Insight, this is a search bar. This is actually where we can do a basic search. If you wanted to do a advanced search, you can click down here. So this is where we can find the advanced search. Okay, before I actually move forward on this search bar here, allow me to bring you to our content. In Emerald Insight, click on our explore our content here. You may find that we have a listing for journals, listing for books, collections, listing for our cases, expert briefing, and also open access articles and also resources all over here. So this will actually help you to navigate to the portfolio that you actually wanted to go into. Just give you an example. If you wanted to see more about journals, by clicking on the journals here, you'll be brought into welcome our Emerald Journal webpage. So if you click on here to view our journal contents, you'll be brings to all our journal title listings right over here. So if you scroll down a little bit more, you may find more about the books. So this is still the journal. And you should be able to see book series and also books titles at the bottom of it. So this is where you can actually do the search by the journal. If you happens to know the journal that you wanted to go, you can actually explore right here. Good news for everyone. In this year, we can do a quick search on the basic search. Let's say I wanted to do a search on a keyword. Let's say CRM performance. Just a quick one. By clicking CRM performance and do a basic search here, I will be bring forward to this particular search result. Okay. How do we actually use this search result? How do we actually navigate this search result? So first of all, this is a search result under CRM performance keyword. Right now, it actually shows 1 out of 10 results in this page, over 3,000 results under the keyword itself. Under this, you can always choose how many results you want to show in a page, either on 10, 20, then it will change 1 to 20 here. If you needed to see more results, you can click on 50 and it will just shows 1 out of 50 in one page, over 3,000 results. This is a box. You may find that there are so many boxes right here, and every of the boxes represent one result. And if you were to see there's a green color tick, which actually means content is actually available. You can read full text of this particular article, and you can even download the PDF right here. So I will just give you an example. What does this basically means? Article here actually stands for, this is a journal article. If you were to find some actually says book content, it will actually shows it actually means it's a book. So there are none here. Actually, most of it is actually article. So this is article content. I'll come back to the book after this here. And the publication date, this actually shows when has this article has been published, which is 4 December 2017. So customer relationship management, innovation, and performance. So this is a full text, and this is the author itself. So if you wanted to read the full text, you can either click on here on the title. It will goes to the full text of this particular article. Customer relationship management, innovation, and performance. If you wanted to download the PDF for reading, you can click on the PDF link here. This is a shortcut. You can click on this link here. It will straight away download the PDF for you. Of course, you will actually need to save a copy of this PDF download. So this is the PDF download that you can save. The PDF that you downloaded is basically it's actually free, and there's actually no expiry date for the PDF.